Do you ever have the feeling that your wallet is a little too light? You feel like you're working hard, but the money never seems to stretch far enough. Well, don't worry, because we're going to share some of Grandpa's finest secret tips for frugal living. And believe me when I say that this man knows what he's talking about. He once lived on a farm with nothing but a chicken and a dream and retired debt-free. Tip number 1. Buying in bulk is not only a smart financial move when it comes to frugal living, but it is also good for the environment. Each item's packaging can be overwhelming, resulting in more garbage in landfills. By purchasing in bulk, you reduce the quantity of packaging used, resulting in less waste and a cleaner environment. But don't forget the convenience factor. Have you ever run out of a household item or snack and had to rush to the store? It is not only irritating, but it can also cost you more money in the long run. You'll always have a surplus of your favorite things on hand if you shop in bulk, and you won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. And let's not forget about the bragging rights. Imagine having a friend over who asks if you have a spare roll of paper towels, and you're able to say, "Oh, I have plenty of those. In fact, I have a whole closet full of them." It's a great feeling to be prepared and know that you're not wasting money on unnecessary trips to the store. So go ahead and get that 50-pound bag of rice or that big box of paper towels. Your wallet will thank you, the earth will thank you, and your future self will thank you for being so well prepared. Building on the tip of buying in bulk, another way to save money on groceries is by growing your own garden. It's not only a great way to get fresh food, but it's also a great way to take advantage of the savings that come with shopping in bulk. Instead of buying canned or frozen vegetables, you may grow your own and have enough to last the season. Also, it is a pleasant and exciting hobby that the entire family may enjoy. There are lots of choices for growing your own fruits and veggies, whether you have a huge backyard or a little balcony. And the best part? You'll feel good knowing that the food you're consuming is fresh, healthy, and affordable. So, if you want to save some money on groceries while also adding some greens to your life, why not try creating your own garden? Another way to save money on groceries and eat healthy is by meal prepping. Meal prepping is an efficient and practical approach to save money on groceries while eating healthier. As previously stated, buying in bulk and growing your own garden can make meal preparation even more affordable. You may limit food waste and save money on groceries by planning your meals. Ahead of time and using up all of the food you have on hand. Cooking in bulk and splitting your meals into portions might also help you avoid the urge to dine out or order takeout. Over time, this can add up to significant savings. Why not give it a shot? Meal preparation has never been easier or more delicious, thanks to the abundance of recipe ideas available online. And if you're looking for a rich and delicious recipe to add to your menu, try Grandpa's world-famous stew. It's not only a crowd pleaser, but it's also great for making in bulk and freezing for later. Another way to be mindful of your spending and stick to your budget is by using cash whenever possible. This is especially useful when it comes to food, which is an essential expense that can rapidly pile up. You'll be able to monitor exactly how much you're spending and prevent overspending if you withdraw a fixed amount of cash at the start of the week and only use it for your grocery shopping. Furthermore, research has shown that people are more likely to spend less money when they use cash rather than credit cards, which is why, while it may seem unpleasant at first, using cash can help you remain on top of your grocery budget and save money over the course of time. Using cash might also help you become more aware of your general spending habits. When you see physical bills leaving your wallet, you become more aware of where your money is going and can pinpoint places where you may be overspending. By creating a weekly or monthly budget and sticking to it with cash, you can begin to create better financial habits and more easily achieve your savings goals. So, next time you go grocery shopping, leave the credit cards at home and carry only the cash you intend to spend. That may take some getting used to, but your wallet will be grateful. Another way to save money and feel accomplished at the same time is by doing DIY projects. Doing DIY projects is another way to save money while still feeling accomplished. You can not only personalize items to your liking, but you can also save money by not purchasing pre-made items. There are endless ways to get creative while saving money, whether it's fixing clothing or furniture, designing home decor, or building something from scratch. Don't worry if you're not a DIY expert. there are lots of beginner-friendly projects to try. Why not give it a try? Who knows? You might surprise yourself with your abilities. Remember, if grandfather can build a house from the ground up, you can certainly build a birdhouse or two. Which is why if you're looking for more ways to be frugal on a tight budget, we highly recommend that you click the video you see on your screen. In that video, you'll learn even more money-saving tips and tactics to help you make the most of your budget. And if you have any tips of your own to contribute, please leave them in the comment section below. Remember that being frugal does not have to be boring or restricting. You can live a satisfying and financially responsible life with a little bit of imagination and wise planning. So, till next time, save wisely.